Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the top 5 stocks of the week based on their trading volume. These are the companies that have been making waves in the market, attracting the attention of millions of investors. Now, instead of going through them like everyone else does, from least to most volume, we're flipping the script. We're going in reverse order, starting with the 5th most traded and building up to the hottest stock of the week based purely on how many shares exchanged hands. So buckle up because we're diving right in. Coming in at number 5, with a respectable 24 million shares traded, we have Toast Inc. Now you might be thinking Toast, the restaurant POS system company, and you'd be right. Toast has been killing it lately, with their platform becoming a staple in the restaurant industry. They've been expanding aggressively, signing on new businesses left and right, and that growth is reflected in their stock price, up over 10% this week. But remember, past performance isn't indicative of future results. While 24 million shares traded might seem like a lot, it's actually on the lower end of our top 5, so we'll have to see if this momentum can be sustained. Up next at number 4, with 44 million shares traded, is Robinhood Markets Inc. Yes, that Robinhood. The one that was caught in the middle of the whole GameStop saga. They've had a bumpy ride to say the least, but they're still standing, and their trading volume this week suggests people are still paying attention. It could be the new features they're rolling out, or maybe it's just the lingering interest from retail investors. Whatever the reason, 44 million shares is nothing to sneeze at. The question is, can Robinhood shake off its past and become a long-term player in the brokerage world? Only time will tell. Chapter 3. The Trade Desk, quietly crushing it. Sliding into our number 3 spot with 48 million shares traded is The Trade Desk Inc. Now, this one might not be as familiar as Toast or Robinhood, but it's definitely a company worth knowing. The Trade Desk is a major player in the programmatic advertising space, which is a fancy way of saying they use technology to buy and sell ad space online. And business is booming. As more and more companies shift their ad budgets to digital, the Trade Desk is reaping the rewards. 48 million shares traded is a testament to their growth and the increasing importance of their industry. This is one to keep your eye on, folks. Chapter 4. Hims & Hers, Telehealth taking over. Coming in hot at number 2, with a whopping 62 million shares traded, is Hims & Hers Health Inc. This telehealth company has been absolutely exploding in popularity, as more and more people turn to online platforms for their healthcare needs. From prescriptions to consultations, Hims & Hers offers a convenient and discreet way to manage your health, all from the comfort of your own home. And investors are clearly taking notice. 62 million shares traded is a massive amount of activity, signaling a surge in interest for this growing sector. Is telehealth the future of healthcare? It's too early to say for sure, but with numbers like these, Hims & Hers is certainly betting on it. Chapter 5. Lyft driving away with the top spot. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 most traded stock of the week with an astounding 107 million shares traded is Lyft Inc. That's right, the ride-sharing giant has been making headlines this week, and for good reason. With the summer travel season in full swing, Lyft's ridership numbers have been through the roof. People are ditching their cars and opting for ride-sharing services like never before, and Lyft is cashing in. 107 million shares traded is a massive vote of confidence from investors, and it's clear that they believe Lyft is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for alternative transportation options. That's it for this week's top 5 stocks by trading volume. Remember, this isn't financial advice and past performance isn't indicative of future returns. Do your own research, make informed decisions, and invest responsibly. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more videos like it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, happy investing.